Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook garlic coriander beef. This dish is totally oil-free and it will definitely help you to lose weight. First, prepare the beef and cut it into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix everything and marinate for 20 minutes. Boil some water. When the water boils, put the beef into it. Take the beef out after 5 to 6 minutes. Don't overcook the beef, or else it will taste too chewy. Now cut some coriander and put it into the bowl with the beef. Mice some garlic and put it on top of the coriander. For the seasoning, we need half spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, and that's it. Mix everything well and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.